Hello and welcome back to Citizen Pew. This is Pew Commentary, and today I'm going to be talking about this Ruger 22. It's the Charger, and I've seen this firearm out and about for a while now. I was a little hesitant on picking it up, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. It has a couple neat features here. It does come with a bipod, which I don't know if I'll use, but I put it on here just to try it out. It does not have a fixed iron sight, but I'm not sure what I want to do with it, so I haven't put anything else on it, but I'm just going to cycle some rounds through it to see how she does. The grip on it is pretty interesting. It will take an AR hand grip if you decide to put an aftermarket hand grip on it. The other thing is this piece back here can come off, and you could put a piece that'll accept that has a Picatinny rail that goes vertical, and then you can put a pistol brace on it, since this is considered a pistol. So yeah, the Ruger 22 Charger. So we're gonna give it a shot, see what we think. I got my little metal target stand over there. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna use the bipod. Might use it to hold on to it for right now, but I don't even have an optic on it because yeah, I picked it up. I'm just gonna give her a shot, try her out. Make sure I get my ear protection on here. All right, I'm gonna start out with this 10-round mag. Yeah, I didn't even have a sight on it. Huh. Alright, and then I'm going to try this 15-round mag. This is the mag that actually came with it, so nice that it's interchangeable with like a Ruger 1022. So I don't know. It's kind of nice. I think if you put a little red dot on it or something like that, it'd be a pretty handy gun. I don't know about the I don't know about this bipod though. I think I'm going to take it off, reload, try again without it. All right. All right. So yeah, I took off the bipod there. We're going to try it without it. And like I said, this thing does have a threaded barrel. So if you wanted to downline put some type of flash suppressor or suppressor alone on there, you can. But yeah, we'll see how she does without the bipod on there. All right, start with a 10-round mag. Got her in there. Boom. Here we go. Okay, I'm enjoying it. I can see it. All right, a little 15-round mag that came with it. Here we go. Oh, yeah. I like it. I'm gonna have to find an optic to put on this thing, but I might look at that at upgrading this now. It's like I said, I was on the fence about it, but yeah, the Ruger 22 Charger. Let me know what you think. Put a comment down in the comment section, and like the video, share it if you think somebody would benefit from it, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all next time.